Hi there, Fred from YoLink here. Go to the Play Store, search for the YoLink app, and then install that onto your phone or tablet. Once you've got it installed, you can open it. So open it, and now you're going to sign up for a new account. Fill in the top 3 fields, and then click Sign Up. Go through these bubbles just to learn what the various icons are used for in the YoLink app. And once you're through these, you can go on, and now we're going to actually do a real scan. Once this is done, what you're going to do is tap on the scan icon at the top. Once you scan, it'll go into scan mode, and then you're going to aim at the QR code on the back of the hub. It should pick it up, and then you should see a message come up, similar to this, where it shows bind device. That means it has seen it, so now it's going to bind it. So select bind device. Then you can see that the hub is now fully in the app. Now we're going to add the sensor, so click on Add Device, and then scan the QR code on the front of this sensor. Once you have scanned it, select Bind Device, and then press and release the Set button on this sensor to bind it, and then click Close. Click Done, and that means that we're done with the hub and the sensor. They should both show up in the app. What we're going to do now is test the sensor. So lightly tap on the front face of the sensor so that it moves just a bit, and you should get a pop-up on your app that says Alert from the vibration sensor. Great job! You've now added and verified the sensor. Now let's add the hub to your Wi-Fi so it can communicate to the internet. Power up the hub by plugging in the cable and adapter supplied, and let it come up for a full minute. So click on the hub, and then click on the Not Connected Wi-Fi. Press the Set button on the hub for 5 seconds. Like it says, it will enter the Wi-Fi mode. So basically, you're going to go into its Wi-Fi, and then you're going to continue, and then you're going to see it there. You're going to go into it, the YS100604 in this case, but yours will be similar, but slightly different. Now come back to the YoLink app, and now we're going to continue on from here. So we're going to confirm that the above has been done, and now we're going to go in and enter our actual Wi-Fi in our home or office or wherever. Please note that it cannot be on a 5 gigahertz network. It must be on a 2.4 gigahertz, which allows it also to communicate further. Now enter the password for your Wi-Fi, and the hub is going to actually log on to your Wi-Fi. At this point, the hub can communicate to the internet, so when it receives device alerts and that sort of thing, it can send them to the cloud, which can then send you emails or text messages, etc. The hub can actually voice talk through its built-in speaker, and we will explore that a little bit later. We will now test that everything is communicating. So physically tap the sensor again, like we did previously, but this time, in addition to a notification, you should also receive an email. If you receive the email, everything is working properly to this point. In the next video, we will install the sensor onto the TrapEEzEE adapter, and install your mousetrap onto the other half of the adapter, and then do a test. Please move on to the next video when you are ready to proceed.